Hello, my name is Jorge. I'm from the Philippines.
Hi, my name is Kinley. I'm from Bhutan.
And I have one question for you guys. How to change a flat tire, a flat car tire?
Okay, you should identify first which tire is flat.
So I don't drive. Yeah.
In there, flat tire, you need to get the thing with the thing. The thing, and then you need to put this one, and then you roll it.
Okay,
No, first thing, you need to put the jack first to lift the car.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you can't change the tires if you don't have the jack. And
see.
jack first the car, like pull up,
And
pull it
then-
up, and then just use that screw, turn,
And then change.
and then no, you have to remove the screw first, and then
Oh.
remove the tire,
Okay.
and then put back the tire, the new
Uh-huh.
tire, and then put it
Yes.
back again, like screw it, and then release the jack.
Have you done that?
Yeah, I helped my dad.
Then you are throwing that.